This is 2020 Leaf Metal Draft Football, just released today. There's 5 autographs per box, so let's open one up so you guys can see what's inside, and please call us if you would like one for delivery or order them online. Get the cellophane off so you can see what's inside. They're already top loaded from Leaf. Tough one there. Okay, so first card, Tenacious D, Grant Delpit. That's 47 of 60 from LSU. Cam Akers, Touchdown Kings. That one is 46 of 60 as well. You can see there. Joe Reed. That is, oh, there it is up at the top. 8 of 10. All right. Keyshawn Vaughn, running back. That is, see that there, 6 of 10. Oh my, the monster hit. There we go. Joe Burrow, LSU, the one everybody's looking for. 23 of 50. Wow, that is a sweet card. Look at that. Nice shine on there. We will actually be posting this one since the store is closed only for pickup right now due to the coronavirus. We'll post this on eBay for sale. So as soon as you watch this, you can go to our eBay store, search the Joe Burrow Leaf Metal Draft, 23 of 50. Rookie autograph. So that, again, that's Leaf Metal Draft Football. We have plenty in stock, although they do go fast, especially these times. People are bored. So please stop in. I'm so used to saying that. Please just give us a call, email us, send us a message on Facebook at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. That is our YouTube channel. That's Facebook, Gmail. It's our website.com. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to post more videos soon so you guys can check them out, including the next break will be on the Sage Hit. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.